a coffee machine.
Totoo naman.
It's a robot built by itself to give you coffee. So, which one will I choose? Okay, come to this lab, and then you press this one. And if you want sugar, you choose. You want milk, 2 cups of milk. You press
Another one.
1 and 2. And you want coffee, you
No, that's
just
5. It's too
oh,
much.
okay, okay.
It's too much milk.
Okay, put 3. And then
But
1 coffee.
it's
Oh, this is 4 coffee. This is too much. Put 3. And this sugar. You 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 spoon sugar is. Oh, it's too much. Okay, reduce to 1 and 2 enough.
Okay.
And then you press order.
And then you
Now
pay.
pay.
Someone else.
You see, now my boss pay my tea. Okay. And then the money comes. Oh.
No money comes out.
From the sky.
Papua New Guinea government need to provide this service to the people of Papua New Guinea. Come on. Okay, come on. Oh, wait. Sober. You apply sober in the machine.
It doesn't even feel
Oh. Mashallah.